In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack, your quick start guide. Slack 101. To get started, open Slack on your desktop app or in a web browser and head into a channel. I'll use a sample channel called New Channel, so you can follow along, but you can pick any channel that's relevant to your work. A channel is a dedicated space centered around a topic, a project, or a team. Think of it as a focused room where everyone who needs to collaborate can see the same messages, files, and updates in one place. Using channels keeps conversations organized and transparent, so you're not digging through scattered emails or side chats to find what you need. If a channel name clearly reflects its purpose, it's easier for everyone to know where to post and where to look for information. Down at the bottom, you'll see the message field. Type your message just like you would in a chat. Keep it short, clear, and specific. Press Enter to send. If you need to get someone's attention, include their name with an @ to make sure they're notified. You can also format text for clarity and add context so your teammates understand exactly what you're sharing. Sharing files is just as simple. Click the attachment icon or drag and drop a document, screenshot, or image right into the channel. Add a brief note about what the file is and why it matters. That little bit of context helps others pick it up quickly. Files you share are kept with the conversation, making them easy to find later alongside the related messages. When someone posts something helpful, you don't always need a full reply. Use an emoji reaction to acknowledge, celebrate, or clarify. Hover over the message, pick an emoji, and you're done. Reactions keep the channel signal high by reducing extra chatter while still showing you've seen the update. For moments when typing won't cut it, you can record audio or video clips directly in Slack. Look for the clip option near the message field. Choose audio if you want a quick voice note, or choose video if you need to show your screen or add a personal touch. Check your mic and camera, hit record, and speak naturally. Keep it concise, preview it to make sure it's clear, then send. Clips are great for walkthroughs, status updates, or anything that benefits from tone and visuals without scheduling a meeting. That's it. Open a channel, understand its purpose, send messages, share files, react with emojis, and record audio or video clips when it helps you communicate faster and more clearly.